Here's a pair of the Soundcore P20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing is we'll go to the Bluetooth settings on our phone here. So just go to settings, and on this phone here I'm going to go to connections, and then I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. So let me tap on Bluetooth there, and that little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode under here, under available devices. Okay, so now we got to put these in a pairing mode. So let's go ahead and take out the earbuds and put it into your ear, and you should hear it turn on, and then you should hear a chime, a pairing chime. It's like doot, 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 doot. Now I just put my buds in. The only thing I hear was doot. The reason is because I'm actually connected to a different device. So for me to put this in pairing mode, I need to go to the phone or the device that I'm currently connected to, okay? So now if it was in pairing mode, it would show up down here, okay? But again, I didn't get the pairing mode chime. So let me go to Bluetooth here, and yeah, see, I am connected here. So let me go ahead and I can turn Bluetooth off, disconnect, or delete it from the pairing list here. So if I do any of those three, I'll just turn off Bluetooth here. As soon as I turned it off here, I should be able to hear that chime, and it should be in pairing mode. I'll click on scan. Oh, anyway, it is in pairing mode. I did find it right there. Soundcore P20i. Click on pair. And voila, we are connected. Now, if you had issues, issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.